How to create Cash App account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create a Cash App account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to have Cash App application installed. If not, open up the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Cash App and then install it in your device. Now once you have installed the application, you have to open it up. There you have sign up button, tap on it. Or in case if you don't want to use the application, you can open up via browser. If you want to open up via browser, then open up the browser in your device and in the search bar, search for Cash App. Then head over to the official link that is cash.app, and once you opened up their link, then you have to tap on sign up, and then what you have to do is then you'll be asked to enter your details. There you have to enter your phone number or email. Then choose either to receive a confirmation code. Then you have to input the 6-digit code that is sent to your phone or email according to your preferences. Now once you have entered the confirmation code and if you are verified, then you will be prompted to link a bank account. Then you have to add your debit card or link a bank account for sending and receiving the money. Then after that, you have to create your cash tag. This is your unique Cash App username and it is used for receiving money. So make sure to create a cash tag. Then you'll be asked to enter your full name. Provide your full name and at last set up a PIN or use Face ID in order to secure your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.